Hi everybody, welcome back. It has been a long time. I think it's been about a month and a half since I recorded a video about this keyboard. The keyboard is fully functional, 100% now. Well, except for the broken key over here. Since the last we spoke, I've converted the protoboard into a real hardwired connection. So here's the Arduino. And the pulses that we're sending out were too weak, so I'm using some transistors to amplify it. And something unfortunate happened in between. I got the new foam and foil; those worked fine. So all the keys were working. And then when I went to productionize it like this, the bottom row stopped working. And I traced it down to one of the pins on this bad chip was completely disconnected from ground, and so. After a lot of fiddling with different resistors and where things should be connected, where they shouldn't be connected, finally I just bodged a resistor in between that pin and ground, and now all the keys are working. So I'm very excited about this. So this is the final hardware configuration, and it is such that it's not completely reversible, but this part of the hardware is required to use the keyboard because of that bad chip. So I'm going to package this stuff up into the original case, which is underneath over there, and we should be good to go. So that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching.